What is up? Okay, so basically, I got a whole bunch of Godzilla figures. I'll show them all to you guys. And so, I thought I would just start doing unboxing videos until that pile is opened, basically. So, I'm going to start with this big old boy. I was gonna do, like, I had asked on Twitter or X which one to do, and then I was told I should go with the 1200 Fahrenheit Celsius Godzilla, but then this guy came out, and I was like, I got to open it. So I'm gonna do that one first, and then work my way through the rest of these. And hopefully the piles get, smaller and smaller until my birthday gets big again. Alright, so I brought a knife. See, if my voice wasn't in this, it might be okay ASMR until I make a huge ass noise. But my voice sounds like gravel, but not in a sexy way. But man, I saw this thing. It's remote controlled. Holy crap. I had a remote controlled Godzilla when I was a kid, but wasn't a proper RC like this one. It was more the cord was still connected to it. So you're not going far with it. Alright, try these wire cutters out. Ooh, something fell. Yeah, that's probably not very soothing sounding either. What's his stuff? Oh, he's got these weird boys. I don't like those. Cause you're bound to mess something up. I know that's for sure with me. But no, this is I'm not big on buying the Playmates and that type of stuff. I have a lot, mostly because I have family that's we don't know what to get you for this birthday. So I just say, give me Godzilla stuff. But I was I don't want to risk this thing falling out of my clutches. So I just went to Walmart and I bought this silly creation. I'm going to get my pocket knife back out. For honestly too much money. I'm gonna shoot straight with y'all. $45. I had sticker I'm not used to shopping at Walmart either because I'm too cheap. But I got some other grocery stuff, and I just was how can people afford Godzilla figures in this economy? All right. Now. Got a little bit of tail. So this guy, he's so weird. Look at this. He's kind of floppy boy. Plug the tail in. Gotta get it the right way. Man, I'm just struggling. Okay, so I about got it all the way done up. Got that. And then I need to grab this part. Okay. Turn him on. Oh, gotta get this going because this is too fucking cool. He is just too awesome. Be right back. Alright, so now I got the lights down low. I got this guy all ready to go, so let's see how he does. And it's not working. Hold up. Okay, now watch this. This is the fucking coolest thing. Look at the spines. Show it from this angle too, so you can see. Isn't that the coolest thing? Now, one last part that I gotta show, because this is just like, I was on the fence about getting it, and then I saw this, and I was like, yep, this is gonna get my money, because it's pretty easy to impress me when you're, you know, making Godzilla toys. Because I never fully grew up. Let's see if this works. Oh, he's shooting fire! Fucking, that's so cool. I'm so happy with that. So yeah, there he is. He looks cool. The fire is so gosh darn cool. He moves like, you know, like, oh, look at that. Makes no, it stomps. I love it. I love him so much. This just brings up a lot of like old, like childlike Casey. Like these other ones are really cool. This is childish shit that I just fucking adore. So for me, it's 100% worth the $45. So cool. I'd recommend it. Hell, the way Godzilla fans are, buy it and then just hold on to it, because it'll probably jump in price, because we're crazy. But I'm going to play with this now and come back at you guys with the next one someday, hopefully. Bye. So fucking cool. Okay, bye.